My name is Diodan. I came from Philippines, and presently I'm working in Abu Dhabi. I work there as a QA/QC engineer, lead engineer QA/QC for structural. Actually, we have in our department QA/QC, we have 80% of QC is from Kerala. So when I talk about the certification, they suggest one institute only, that is a Blastline. So at that time, I'm thinking which school I will renew my certificate. And by these friends, for their suggestion, that's why I choose this Blastline. For the, most especially for practical, so I think I gain additional knowledge regarding the defects, especially the defects, how to identify defects and the acceptance, and some theories regarding the mechanical destructive test in DT. It gains a lot additional knowledge to me from these professors, these teachers. No? Especially nowadays, you should have certificates. You should know about the jobs. So if you have these certificates, it can help you to find the jobs and the job itself during the works. If you have knowledge regarding this, example, the weldings, you can use this in your future works now and some projects later on. I would like to invite everyone now. As for my experience, I have good experience here in Blastline. So I want you to experience also same as me. Please come to Blastline. Enroll here. They have so many courses offered to you. The staff, the teachers, they are so helpful. They will explain to you clearly. They will help you if you have problems with technical and practical. So you have no difficulty during the exams. You can gain and learn a lot of things from here. So please, if you're searching for the institute for your future certification, please come to Blastline.